Hey Joanne. Hey Joanne, can
Hi.
you hi, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I was just multitasking. But
Okay.
so I was just writing the test cases at the same time. But when you told me just go ahead and test it. So it passed
Yeah.
through the first one, it resolved, and it went to the second one, it resolved. I took all
Mm-hmm.
screenshots. Um, the last one, I think you showed this message before on the text. I
Mm-hmm.
think you even talked to the group about this one. So now I
Yeah.
am seeing this one, but I sent it to the group. I didn't know
Right.
who to ask, but I think you CC'd others.
Yes. Because they're passing the ball between PCF, Hybris. So I don't know who's the developer for PCF and which one for Hybris. Ranjan knows who needs to work on that because we have multiple cards for this force flip. So each card would have one PCF, and one card would have hybrid and PCF, and then one card for another. So I don't know how they organize the components in the cards, and they know who worked on which side or which platform because Force Flip is a mix of the UI, the back end, and I don't know about how they build it. Yeah.
Okay. So these three components, are they hybrids? I'm kind of familiar a little bit with the hybrid side,
Mhm.
but not sure what the PCF is and the Fed. I think I see Fed as well. So
Yeah, there's three: Fed, PCF, and hybrids. So I think when I found the first error, Nitu had to fix it, which was, I think, hybrids. No, PCF, PCF. And
okay.
then after her fix, I continued with the test, and it blew. And they said, nah, that's not PCF, it's something else. So they're assigning it to Toshit or Rajiv.
Okay, so Need to works in the PCF area, and
Yeah,
okay, the sheet is. I heard he mentioned before, um, hybrids maybe.
Rajiv.
Oh,
I there was a conversation. Let me find that one. Was where? Hmm, which group chat was that? I think the Daily Typewriters, Daily Scrum. When I was saying, "Hey, it blew." No, don't assign
ye-
it to me. To they said.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um.
That's right. That's right.
Mhm,
I read that somewhere too.
mhm,
Okay,
yeah.
so I guess he is Fed maybe.
Right. He
Okay.
said it's not PCF, so it's either Fed or hybrid. Not needed. This store is depending on another card. That's a PCF card. The issue yesterday was at PCF side. However, oh, okay, so it is hybrid or Fed. So it's gonna be Toshit or Rajiv. So what you will do is you're failing the test case again, right? You are updating the test case. You
Yes.
fail it and then
Yes.
assign the story card back to in progress to Rajiv or
Okay.
Toshit.
Okay. So okay, gotcha. So I will. So one of their names I can just put, right? And tomorrow that they
Yeah,
can discuss that. No, this is not related to mine. It's probably related to this person. So then they can decide, right?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So um, I think I don't know how many items should be there, but when I try to resolve one by one, so it did. The option is to resolve one at a time. So I've noticed another issue maybe that we were discussing in the enhancement down the road. So
Mhm.
if we click on all the radio buttons, all the resolve buttons becomes active. So
Right.
so I'm not sure. I wanted to try that too. hit one resolve and see if all resolves, and that would cause another issue. But at the
Uh,
moment, yeah, go ahead.
yeah. Our test case currently is written to say select all of them and then resolve all of them at the same time.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So that is a different scenario. So they want us to say, let's prove it first that it's not broken if we resolve one at a time. And it's still blowing. So I don't know which one is causing the issue. We're thinking it's the PSQ, so we don't know. They will find it out.
Okay, okay, gotcha. So yeah, I think so. I was just adding more steps, and
Mm-hmm.
so I thought maybe I can just do that. Meanwhile, and I wanted to just show it to you real quick if I have this correctly. Uh,
Sure.
but that's
Sure,
just
you're
from
fine.
my sense of adding it. But I think it's coming down to what that what the I guess the step is going to be defining. That's all it is,
Mm-hmm.
but it might be a bit different verbiage that I'm using. So I didn't know if there's something standard we use here, and I was just trying to add as much info as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but yeah, so I can share that with you. But we can just talk about the other stuff at the moment,
Sure.
and we can see if we have
Let,
time. We can go through that.
yeah, let us update the test case. Go into the test case that's failing, and then right there the exact steps that you did on the UI.
Okay. All right. So let me share my screen really quick. I'm just finishing it up. Let me just share it. Let me know if you can see me.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay.
Okay, so
So yeah, sorry, I have a lot of pages open, but so this one, what I
mhm,
did, step three. So right here, this is
okay,
the step I added, and
mm-hmm.
I can show that step too. But this is where the three items are displaying, and
Yeah, that's correct, right?
okay. So then afterwards, I think something like this. I just had some screenshots here too, as well, just to show. Let me see if I can show one at a time. It's kind of difficult to see, but this is the step that it has all these
Mhm.
items. Once I hit the click
Okay,
edit here, so it
so
becomes
that three looks good.
okay.
You hit edit, and then the
Y-
edit order page will display with the three items that were in the cart, and there's a continue button displaying in the bottom. You don't have to say about the continue button. You can clear that out.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know if you have to spell out that there's a save pen button and okay, and
No, you
then
don't have to.
okay,
It's not related to this test.
gotcha.
We don't want to put too much details when it's not related to the test. So,
Okay.
step four, select the replace with item.
Okay, so what happens? Let me see. In the next step, yeah, those two were gone, but there
Okay.
was one on the top. When I clicked on it, it was this one, the
Mm-hmm.
386A. So when I click the radio button, the resolve button becomes active.
Right.
So,
And then, so you will say the exclusion page displays with the three items, um, and each has a resolve button that is inactive.
now from here, that what
Okay.
I did when I select the replace, so here I
Okay.
explain uh,
That's
when,
correct. Yeah, that's
okay,
correct. The
okay,
expected result is correct.
okay.
So the fifth step, click resolve button for the selected option, replace with item. Okay. The
So
replace with item option will disappear and the other two remaining items uh,
we'll be displaying.
will display. Okay. Okay. Uh,
I kind of
I,
broke this down into two steps. One with the option is
mm,
displaying, the other one with the
yeah,
clicking on the resolve
that,
button.
That looks good. And then
Okay.
select the replace item.
With
Um,
the other one, just same step repeating.
all right. When we write a test case, it's okay to mention the specific data because we have three specific data that we are testing with.
Right.
Um, Down the road, if those items are no longer available, and they
Hmm.
will say, you cannot test with this data, but the test case is saying we have to test with this data, then people who is not familiar with the system will say, I cannot test this because my data is not matching. They will say, this is failing. You know, some people
Okay.
would do that and then say, there's a bug. No, there's no bug there. It's just that down the road, when data changes, when the system is still consistent,
Hmm.
but we don't have the matching data, some people would fail the test case and say this is failing. We cannot assume that someone who will pick up this scenario is familiar with icon. They would pass it to another person who doesn't have any clue what's going on with icon and say, help me execute this one. That person might not have any knowledge in icon, they're just following the steps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes
So
sense.
yeah, by practice, I would write a test case and not mention the specific data there. You can put the data in the data column, but
Okay.
say in the step, in the action, say select the second item or the next item and then resolve. And then select the last item or the last product and then resolve.
Okay. Okay.
So
I see. Okay, that
it's
makes sense.
okay to leave it like this if we
But
have the data forever. But if we pass it on later down the road and there's an enhancement, they
right.
have to run this regression. Someone will pick up the regression test case and execute this, and the data is not there, they will fail it.
Makes sense. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can actually do that so it will this test case will
Mhm.
remain forever, hopefully. So yeah, I can just do that. I
Yeah.
think this is a better option.
Mhm.
So I will say select the first item. Uh,
Yeah.
select the yeah, first item from the option. From
Mhm.
select the first item from the first option. First option. Okay. And the data, I can just replace that with
Yeah. Put
this
it in the data.
information.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
that
So you
way,
selected the radio button. Mm.
yes.
Then in step five, you hit
And
on resolve, right? Okay.
yeah. So you
That's
click
correct.
the resolve button.
Then move that to
Yeah. For the first option. Uh,
yeah,
option for the selected first
for the
option.
selected product. Yeah.
Yeah. Selected. Well, yes. Selected option. For selected option. I think that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully,
Yep.
they will
And
understand.
then the expected results say the replace with item option. Which step are we
So
at?
I need to say that that particular item will disappear
Mm-hmm.
and the other two will be remaining. So I just have to remove
Right.
this.
Right.
That particular item will disappear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And the other two remaining items will remain.
Yeah. And the other two items will remain.
Mm-hmm. and select the replace. So what you did in the previous step, you do it on the next one.
Yeah, the sort of um, yes, 4 and 5 are going to be repeated three
Mhm.
times. So do I need to say repeat the same process for the other two steps, or do we need to spell
Yeah,
it out? Okay,
one. Yeah, select. Yeah,
it's to repeat
do
the
that
step
for
3, 4.
the one at a time. Yeah, specifically say one at a time.
Okay, so repeat the step 4 and 5 one at a time. Repeat the step 4 and 5 one at a time. Um,
For each item.
for each item, yeah.
Right.
For each item, each item. Okay, so then I guess the acceptance criteria that would for the data I can just add these this one and the this one in here just in case.
Mm-hmm.
So and then but here it will say um, it will say the combination of step 4 and 5. Um,
Mm-hmm. So after you clear, when the last item is resolved,
yeah.
yeah, put it in the expect result. When the last item is resolved,
When the last item is resolved,
so yeah, you put the statement there. What's gonna happen? It should proceed to the PSQ or the product specific question tab.
it okay, it should move to PSQ product specific questions. Uh, I guess that's just the
Okay.
continuation.
I think we're I think we're missing here. When the last item is resolved and the page is cleared, the system should move to
And the page is clear.
Mhm. The system should move.
Yep. The system. It should be will, right? The system will move.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's
Oh,
okay if we some people prefers will, some people prefers should.
okay, okay. The
Mm.
system should move to PSQ. Um,
Tab,
PSQ. That's a step, right? PSQ step
right, or tab. Yeah,
or PSQ tab. Yeah, tab
yeah.
probably be better.
Right.
Okay.
And then add another step and say continue the order all the way.
Continue the order
Mhm.
all the way until
Until
it's until it's processed successfully.
yeah,
Until it's processed. Until uh, yeah, fully okay. And
right.
then oops, one yes. And
Yeah.
and then
Expected result would be
the order is processed successfully or until it's
the
processed.
order the order status should be in progress.
Okay. The order status um, should be in progress. Okay.
Yep. All caps in progress. That's it.
Okay, so that's the progress stage or progress should be in progress. Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
then where you add there, verify the items displaying in the order. It should have the force flip or the replacement items.
Here at the end.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Verify all
Okay.
the items in the order. Because we want to
Oh.
make sure that what we replace
mm,
is showing there. The
in
replacement should show, not the
overtime
med the
all the.
Medicare item, right?
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Placement items are displaying in order. In the
In the order. Yeah.
order it was resolved, or I guess in the order it was replaced.
In,
In the order. That's it.
yeah. When we write the action, we don't wanna explicitly say the expected result in the same statement. We put the expected result separately. So you will just say verify the items in the order and then go put in the expected result. All the replacement items are displayed
Okay. Verify the items
in the order.
in the order.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
then the
then
expected result is say,
in all the, well, all three items basically.
yeah, all the three replacement items should
Three
display.
items should display. Okay. So that will be empty and it will display. Okay.
Good
Okay.
job. So that's the new test case now.
Okay. So when
Now,
sorry, John. So one question. So when I execute, like for example, the one I was working on, so would it update these test cases? I was trying to see, but it wasn't updating. Do I need to
no,
refresh?
you have to execute a new one. So hit on
Ah,
execute, and
okay.
then it will pull the new step.
Gotcha. Gotcha. I think that's what it was missing. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. All right. So far we'll see. And so I'm at the moment at right here. So I think we have to retest. I'm gonna try to create some more users just in case we may end up using more than one.
Uh-huh.
So I'll just have those
Okay.
ready.
Can you
so so
can
that
you go into the story card?
yeah. Okay, one second. The story card was 1 2 wait 1 9. Let's
81, is that 8198 or
see.
819?
I think 9 8. Let me just go from here. It will take me there.
Should be in the bottom of the test case. So
Related.
go into the bottom. Yeah, it's linked there.
That's it
That's
right
it.
here.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, in here, you make a comment.
Okay. Gotcha. The same what I
Yeah.
mentioned in the teams.
Right,
Okay.
right.
The okay. Attempted uh to verify the test number 1 2. What was the
No,
number? Oh no no. Okay.
developers developers don't prefer saying the test case. You just tell them what you actually found. So attempted to resolve one item at a time.
To resolve. Okay.
Mm.
One item.
One,
Replacement item, or I
yeah,
think the
one replacement item at a time.
replacement item at a time.
Yeah.
and and then it gets caught with the unable to process exclusion
Mm-hmm.
page.
Yeah.
Okay, and it gets caught at the I can say just in short, unable to we are unable to I'm gonna say short we are unable to process page. Is that
Yeah. Error page.
okay? Okay, process error page.
When the last item was resolved.
The last item was resolved. Okay.
Because for the developers thinking, tell me the problem first. So you tell them, okay, it blew an error. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to tell them, this is what I did.
Gotcha.
So this is, yeah, this is how you should be saying that. So this is correct. And then attach your screenshot here and also the customer number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because they will go into the system and say, I don't find it. You have to provide which customer.
Okay. All right. Um, second.
Yeah, good job. And then the customer number.
A customer number. I had it somewhere. I think I lost it now. I accidentally erased it, but I can find it. It is. Here we go. Found
Yep,
it. Like this.
right.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So whoever is in this group, they'll be able to look at it, right? So,
Yeah.
'cause, we don't know.
Then move the status from test in stage to in progress.
Oh yeah. Um,
Go back to that
I think it was.
8198. 8198.
Yeah, I think
Where's that?
this is we have the refinement board open, spin board. Here it is. Huh. Where did it go?
Let's move.
No, I think I let's see. Oh, bigger.
That's
Oh,
a different page.
yeah, it's icon sprint. Where's it at?
You were in that page already, right? Earlier.
I was, but it's showing. Was it showing 8199? Right? I don't see it
Where
here. Uh,
did you save your changes there? Did you hit on add in the comments?
I think I did. Let me see. Yeah, it's showing the top.
Okay. Now, while you're there, go to the top. You see the status there? Test in stage.
I can change it to in progress right here.
In progress.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
I
in
usually
progress.
move the card from the. Okay, gotcha.
Okay. It's
Gotcha.
easier to do it here. Yes.
Yeah.
In
Okay.
progress.
So it's already in testing stage, right? Okay.
Move it
So
to in progress.
right here.
Yeah. Right. And then assign it to Toshit.
To shade.
Yep,
That's him. Okay.
that one. Yeah.
Okay.
So if it's not Toshit, he will assign it to someone because he's the senior there.
Okay. Okay.
He
Gotcha.
knows who would take a look at it.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
All right. Cool. You're
Awesome. Thank
done.
you. Yeah. Yep. So I think that's the
Right.
only card lingering. Um,
Yeah.
Kind of like last time you had that over limit, under limit. That was probably the craziest one I've seen. Um,
Mhm.
I think 2 weeks took more than 2 weeks. I think.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, before we end the session, go into the test case where you updated, execute it, and then document there the screenshot.
Okay. So, um,
Yeah, the one that's failed.
yeah, I think I
Yes.
have it open. I
Go
don't know which
there.
one, but
Yeah, click on that one.
yeah. Okay, so then I'll
And then
go here, next text step, test step, and
execute. Yeah.
and stage.
Not there. Go into assign to me.
Oh,
Go to
assign
general. Yeah. Assign to me. And then in the next tab,
this one.
scroll up. Scroll
Yeah.
up.
Yep.
Yeah. And then test environment say stage.
Yep. Oh, I was just adding stage there too. Okay. All right.
So here's the one that will pull the test case showing that you are executing it in stage. Yeah.
Okay. So let me remove that here. Usually execution, it just shows the name and everything.
There. Okay. Do you see the new changes?
Yep. Oh,
Do you have the new changes? Oh, not showing. Why is
no.
that? All right.
Let me go
Close
back.
this one. Close
Okay.
this one. Did you refresh the page?
I may have not. Let me refresh it. But usually when you click, it just automatically,
Yeah. Yeah, it should pick up the new changes.
yeah. Um,
Okay.
okay, let me try again.
Now, yeah, select that one. 12361.
I may have other sessions open. 361. This is the oldest one, so I'm gonna remove that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah,
And
close those. Anything that's confusing, close them.
okay. Um, yeah, this is the one. Okay, so
All right.
all the
So all
steps.
the new steps are here.
Yeah.
No, this is the old. This is the old. Close this one.
So where were the changes? I'm wondering. Did it not save? Because you should have saved it. Uh, that's interesting. I don't think I did anywhere else.
Where did you save it?
I just saved it right on this page. I think. Where did it go? Let me close this one.
Close that one.
Huh.
Where did you save it?
I thought I saved it here because once I saved it,
Refresh this page. Yeah, refresh this one.
I think that's the refresh
Okay.
page.
Scroll down and see if it has your new changes.
No,
Oh,
check on. That's
what
weird.
happened?
I have no idea. This I just
You have
changed.
several things open. Okay. I'll let you find that out if you cannot.
Yeah,
If the test case is not updated, you have to do it again.
yeah, looks like it.
You
Cause
you, you probably save it in another test case.
let me double check. Okay, let me see. If it's in another test case, that can easily be updated.
Does it have all the steps you wrote?
Test on phone. I think I closed
That's
those.
the difference.
Yeah.
Um, here's here's what I can do to find out what which one you replace, the last one.
Yeah.
Go into your profile at the very top on the right. Scroll up.
Okay.
Yep. Click on that one, and then select your profile, and it will show you what you have updated so far.
This 12361.
So
Um.
that was 4 minutes ago. Which one did you update? So before you assigned it to Toshit, you made an update, and then keep scrolling down. You made a comment to the card, all right,
Yeah.
and then you attach.
862.
Okay, okay. Manual test steps. It's a different test case.
That's a. Oh. Let me just double check.
What is this?
That was the. I guess that was another one from non-Medicare to Medicare. Let me just see which one is it. There was another one. Let me see if I accidentally add the test cases here. That's the one right here.
Oh, you updated a different test case,
Oh, okay.
not
I
the multiple.
sorry. Okay, I can update this one. I remember the steps.
Okay,
Yeah, I worked on
okay.
it, and I'll just copy these steps and I'll just put it on there. So that shouldn't be a problem. I'll just put it exactly the way those steps were. I know these steps,
Uh-huh.
so I verified
There's
those.
an easy way there. Okay, so you're in 12361, right?
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
That's the one you should change, the 12361.
Yes, yes.
Stay on this page and then open another for 12361.
Okay,
All right, just change the one at the top, 12361.
right here. This one.
Yeah, the icon 8198, and type in override the 8198 to 12361.
Okay, okay.
At the top in the web, in the URL.
Gotcha.
Yeah, there's the quickest way, 12361.
Yes.
All right, so you don't have to
Go back and forth.
type one at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, now stay on 12361. Right,
Yep.
and then in the steps, right,
Mhm.
you have to delete which one? Step 5.
Um, step
Yeah.
4 updated, and then 5 and continue on.
Okay.
Actually, from the
Now
step 3, this should be edit.
step 3. Okay.
Yeah.
So check out the order. Blah blah blah. Well, we have to check out the order first, and then okay, remove the step 5.
Okay.
Yeah, delete step 5.
Okay.
Okay. And then scroll up. Scroll up some more. Scroll up. Where is that import?
Oh,
Okay. So
import is right here. Um, you want me
uh,
to add that CSV or?
now can you select add step first? The one at the top. At the top. Yeah. Add step.
Okay.
Call test. Let's see if you can import.
Yeah.
Icon 12362.
Yep.
Yep. Select that one.
And
Ah,
gonna have all the steps in the beginning.
No, no, it's something else. No, no, no. Delete that one. Delete that. Because we're gonna import specific steps. Yeah, go to import instead of add step.
Okay.
Import test.
One, two, three, 2.
12362. Yep. And then
Okay.
select the one that you added.
This
Step
one.
3. Yeah. 3 all the way to 7.
Yeah.
Yep. And then 8.
Okay.
Yep. Validate.
Result should be same. Mm,
Import steps. There. Okay.
okay. Yeah, this step verify the replacement items in exclusion. Yeah, that's fine. So check out the
Okay.
order.
Um,
I think
check
because
out
when
the
we have
order. Wait.
3 items,
Uh,
let me see. When we
no, one
put the
moment.
okay.
Stay on. So step 1 says create, blah, blah, blah.
Mhm.
Okay. Did they say the order is in progress? Okay. So you change the insurance.
Yes.
All right. And then should be triggered. Now, check
So
out the order. Order is submitted with flip items. The exclusion tab should be displayed
I think it's gonna be edit
and it's not contact
right here.
item for your phone. Yeah, the edit should go there.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, move it up. Click on that arrow
Yeah.
there. Check.
Okay.
What
And
is step
then
4 now? Check out the order. Submitted flip items. Exclusion type should be displayed. Item is not the correct item for your plan. All right. All right.
everything should be
Okay.
following the same.
Now good. Now then you clean up 12362.
Yeah.
Put it back to the original.
Yep. I
Because
can.
I don't know what you changed in there.
Yes, I know. I know exactly what I changed. I will update that
All right.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Any question?
No, no, thank you. That's all I gotta say. I appreciate it.
All right. Okay, cool. So you execute this one, 12361.
Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 6.
Go back
Yeah, one, two, three,
one.
six, one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to execute
Execute
now. I
this.
should have the
Yeah.
new test step.
The new one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There we go.
Okay. You got the new steps all
Yeah.
the way to it. Okay, good.
Yeah, I see it. All the steps
All
are
right,
there.
good. We're done.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll
Thank.
let you execute that and then document your test results. Good job.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, I'll do that.
All right. We'll have the next session next week then.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it,
You're
Joanne.
welcome.
Thank you for
Okay.
your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.